Alright guys, my corned beef is at a rolling boil. I'm gonna let that do its thing for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Alright. My corned beef is doing its thing. It's just about ready. It's been cooking in here, and you see that the water has boiled down. So I'm gonna get ready to take that off. Get ready to let it cool down room temperature, and then I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator. I want it to harden up nice, all the fats and stuff in the meat harden up nice, so that way we can put it on the slicer. Now, they usually put them inside of an ice bath at different restaurants that I see, but I like to just set mine in the refrigerator and let it cool down on its own. Thank you. Okay, I got that corned beef out of the pot. Drained everything as far as the peppercorns and everything, and now I'm finna let it cool down, and I'm gonna just show you how tender it is. Just gonna slightly rub my knife across that. Hold on, let me. And get a little piece of that. It just needs to cool down a little bit. Then it'll be easy to slice. Stay tuned. Alright. We got us a nice little round of corned beef. So I'm gonna put that in one of these containers, and you know what? I can have corned beef sandwiches all week. And it's delicious. It's got a delicious taste. Delicious. I'm gonna make me a little corned beef sandwich right now out of this. And yeah, that's what we have there. Corned beef for the week. I put a lid on that. And the cracks get on just like